Woo. That's... Yeah, I don't know if that's... I think there was one at that end of town too, though. If you can't hear the siren, it's coming from that way. Where that little beauty is gonna start.
That's the one I'm watching. The one right over you. Towards that house over there.
That? That's what Tony's staring at. And they're pretty low. Huh? That's the storm cloud we are absolutely afraid of right now. Yeah. And that's beautiful too. That's ours. That's our tornado. Okay, and that's our siren in town. Tony, wait for me! Fucking Christ. Jesus.
John, tornado.
The sirens are going off. John, let's go. Gio, get up, let's go.
Tornado.
I don't...
Grab Nicholas.
I mean...
Grab Pepsi and Tucker.
Gotta grab Tuck. It's fucking... You gotta...